Well, Victoria Cockatoo is enjoying her Brussels sprout. It's lightly blanched. Is that good? Tomorrow she's going to see Dr. G in the morning. And Dr. G is going to examine her, take blood, make sure her uric acid levels are in a good place still, and try to get to the bottom of why she is sneezing. Look how cute she is. Oh my goodness. So it's been a little while since she's seen Dr. G. We decided to give her a little break and to see how she does on the meds and all her natural herbal supplements that she's been taking. So what's going on? What's going on over there? So tomorrow, blood work, and then we'll find out to see how it's going. But she's had a good appetite, you guys. She's had a really good appetite. Look at her. She looks fantastic, and she weighed in at 625 grams. So she's doing fantastic. Look at that baby girl. We love you guys. We love you all so much. Thank you for everything. VC strong and flock power. Yeah. Queen is incredible. She's gonna eat it all. That good? Yeah. Ah, now she's full. You had enough? Do you have enough? Do you want some broccoli now? You want some broccoli? Yeah, you're such a good girl. I'm so proud of you. Yes, I am. Everybody's proud of you.